Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
In the previous module, we saw how to add negative numbers and positive numbers. Now, we are going to see how to multiply a positive number with a negative number and multiply a negative number with another negative number. We keep telling children, once you multiply a positive number with a negative number, the answer would be negative, and multiply a negative number with another negative number, the answer would be positive. Sometimes the children get confused. If you use manipulatives to first get it internalized, it will be a lot easier for them to remember. So, now let us see how to multiply 2 and minus 3. Here, we are not going to tell the children that plus into minus will give them minus, but we are going to use certain counters to make them understand all by themselves. They would just be doing an activity using these counters. We are going to make the child understand the concept behind multiplying a positive number with a negative number and a negative number with another negative number using counters like this. Now, this counter will have green on one side representing a positive number and red on the other side representing a negative number. Let us see how to do 2 into minus 3. In the sense, we are going to make the child understand what happens when a positive number is multiplied with another negative number. When I talk of minus 3, 2 into minus 3, that means I have to put minus 3 2 times. Okay? So, let us take the first counter. We need to make the child understand that they can't put it this way, because this refers to plus numbers. So, because the number that we are taking is minus 3, they have got to flip it and make sure that the minus sign is represented by the red counter. So, I have made one group of 3, but the question is 2 into minus 3, that means I have to make one more group of 3. So, how many do I have in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And what is the color that you see outside? Red. Red refers to minus. So, the answer is minus 6. That means a positive number multiplied with another negative number gives you a negative number. Now, let us see how to do minus 2 into 3. Otherwise, what do we get when we multiply a negative number with another positive number? That means the group that we have to make is a group of 3, and we have to make 2 groups. Let us ignore the sign that we see before the first number. So, it will be 1, 2, 3. I want the child to put the green thing up, because 3 is a positive number. So, because it is 2, they make one more group. But the number is not 2, number is minus 2. The minute they see the minus sign, what they need to do is they have to flip the counter. So, once they flip, what happens? Everything becomes red. And how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and 6 what? Red counters, and red refers to minus. So, the answer is minus 6. So, when you multiply a negative number with a positive number, we get a negative number. Now, what happens when we multiply a negative number with another negative number? Let us take minus 2 into minus 3. First, let us ignore the sign that is before the first number. So, the sum stands as 2 into minus 3. That means I have to take 3 counters and put it in such a way that the red is shown, and because it is 2 into 3, I have to make 2 groups of 3 counters each. So, this is what is represented by 2 into minus 3, but the sum that is given is minus 2 into minus 3. So, what should I do to these counters? I just need to flip it the other way. Now, how many do I have in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yes, the answer is 6. And what is the sign? It is the color that you see is green. So, green stands for plus. So, the answer is plus 6. When you multiply a negative number with another negative number, you get a positive number. Using manipulatives like this will help them understand and internalize the concept behind multiplying a positive number with a negative number and a negative number with another negative number. This will help them to remember this better. So, the confusion will be sorted out or taken care of to a large extent.